So I am going to show you guys me opening up the package I got from the brand Insert Name Here. Yeah, it's actually never heard of it. I've never had extensions. I've never had a wig before. Never had a ponytail. But it's called the MIYA ponytail, or is it MIYA? MIYA. I'm gonna call it the MIYA because yeah. Here's what the package looks like. It's basically bubble wrap. It says Insert Name Here throughout the thing. It also says it right here. It's kind of like hard to see it, but so let's open this up. So yeah, I saw basically that in the advertisement, which is where I first discovered it from, just how quick and easy it was to put it on. So I was actually really excited to get this because I have a habit of going to lots of concerts and I always wear the same hairstyle of straight hair or crimped hair, but mostly straight hair. So I thought this would be like perfect for me. So this is cute. Okay, this is long. Okay, so she comes with the hair. Hold on one second. There's actually something else in here it came with. This is so cute. Little thank you card. That's really adorable. Has a little promo and a thank you note. And it comes with a little satin hair bag. That is really cute. It's like a lavender color, which is actually one of my favorite colors that I've been obsessing over. So, but yeah, this is really nice. Yeah, here's the color. The color I got, I know my hair looks black in the lighting I'm in, but actually my hair is very, very dark brown. So there's 8 shades you could choose from the website to help determine which color is the closest to your hair color. It retails for $45, and if you can't afford that, there is a really quick and easy option of paying $11.25, I believe, to 4 separate payments. So that's actually a really good deal, and so they make it affordable. Let me open this up. I need to find my scissors. Okay, hold on. We opening you up, sister. Oops, dropped her. Okay, so here she is. She is 24 inches. Yeah, she's actually pretty soft. A little bit staticky feeling, but there's a hairnet over her. I'm gonna get that off. Okay, so she is off. She is thriving. Okay. She is... You see this? She covers like basically the whole frame. This is really cute. She comes with little bobby pins. Don't know if you could see that. And a little thing, I think you use this part to tie once your hair is up. So she actually feels real. It kind of looks like my hair. Yeah, I would say this matches. Alright, so I'm gonna go put my hair up. Don't judge how it looks when I come back, because I am not a pro at this. Okay, so I got my hair up. It's in the highest I could get it, but as you can see, it doesn't reach as far past my shoulders as I want it to. So that is why I want the high ponytail, because I actually do end up cutting my hair when it reaches a certain length. It's getting there actually. So let's try to put this on. Okay, so I can see it's Velcro. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so there's the 4-clip on the inner part of it, kind of like a lace, I guess. Looks like this. And this is all Velcro. I guess that wraps around the original ponytail. You have it. I'm guessing this part actually gets in the front, so when you put it on it's like this way and then it wraps around, you know what I mean? So we're going to go ahead and try that, and I hope this hair actually blends with this one. So let's try it out. Okay. Oh my god. They didn't call this the 30-second ponytail for nothing. Okay. Hold up. This is already cute. What? Oh my god. This is already... This is so unreal. Oh my god. Okay. I'm like being too shook right now. So as you could see, I have this fully wrapped around and I'm already shook, but we're gonna get this wrapped around so we could get the full look at it. Okay. And I'm guessing we use the bobby pins to fully pin it up, I guess you could say. Okay, so I fully got it pinned on, and yeah, I have these on because I actually have a lot of baby hairs, so what? Do we see this? This is like full on Ariana. Okay. Okay. I don't even see my hair. Where's like my real hair? Okay, you can kind of see it. My hair is like the short one, but because my hair is, the reason I actually wanted to get this was because my hair doesn't actually, well yeah, it'll never reach this length, like ever. So I am actually glad I made this purchase. I am absolutely in love. And if you have long hair like me, I recommend getting it because it will still blend in with your hair, okay? So go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll probably be posting more hauls and reviews and stuff like that. So, yeah.